Hey, Philadelphia residents, are you looking to transform your home? If so, you're in luck. We've just finished a stunning renovation project in Philadelphia, and we're excited to show you the results. The home we renovated was in a bit of a state, but we knew that with a little bit of work, we could turn this space into something truly special. After our renovation, the home looks amazing. The kitchen is now a modern and functional space. The bathroom is spacious and luxurious, and the living room is bright and inviting.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth, and I just had my house redone by Matrix, and I would recommend them to anybody. Professional, great work, great people, 2 thumbs up.
We've completely revamped this home, bringing it back to life and making it the perfect place to live. Just imagine what we can do for your own home. If you're looking to transform your space, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We specialize in creating the best renovation experiences for our clients. From start to finish, we'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you love the final result. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call today.